Hello, I am Diksha Soni from MTech 5th Sem IIPS DABV, and you are watching a video lecture on numerical analysis and design. Today we are going to learn some of the solutions, algorithms and some of the examples of questions related to numerical analysis and design. So let us take the very first question and the very first solution. Let us start with the finding or deriving the order of convergence of the secant method. So here we can see a derivation of order of convergence of the secant method. First of all, let us take the iterative formula of the secant method. As we all know, the iterative formula of the secant method is xi plus 1 is equals to xi minus 1 f of xi minus xi f of xi minus 1 upon f of xi minus f of xi minus 1, where xi denotes the point and f of x denotes the function at the corresponding point x. Come to the next. Let y be a root of f of x is equals to 0. If y is the root of f of x is equals to 0 equation, then or let ei plus 1 is equals to xi plus 1 minus I. Ei plus 1 is the error of I plus 1th function is equals to xi plus 1 minus I. Ei is equals to xi minus 1 and ei minus 1 is equals to xi minus 1 minus y. After expanding f of xi as f of y plus ei from above equations, we can see that f of xi is equals to f of y plus ei. F of xi minus 1 is equals to f of y plus ei minus 1, where e is the corresponding error terms around y. We obtained y plus e plus I is equals to y plus e minus I into f of y plus ei f dash y plus ei square upon 2 f double dash y minus y plus ei f of y plus ei minus 1 f dash y plus e square I minus 1 upon 2 f double dash y whole divided by f of y plus ei f dash y plus ei square by 2 f double dash y minus f of y minus ei minus 1 f dash y minus ei minus 1 square upon 2 f double dash y. Here we have done nothing, but we just put at the place of f of x, at the place of xi plus 1 y plus ei minus 1, we just replace the formula in the equation 3.13 with the formula downwards and replacing x with y plus e. As we can see from above, xi plus 1 is in the equation first. So at the place of xi plus 1, we have put yi plus 1. Here xi plus 1, and at the place of it, we have put y plus ei plus 1 is equals to, at the place of xi minus 1, we have put y plus ei minus 1, and at the place of f of xi, we have put f of y plus ei f dash y plus ei square upon 2 f double dash y. Why we have put this? Because here we can see that f of xi is equals to f of y plus ei, and by Taylor's theorem we have expanded as below. So after expanding this, we got f of y plus ei f dash y plus ei square upon 2 f double dash y minus here y plus ei is placed at the place of xi, and f of xi minus 1 again is replaced by f of y plus ei minus 1, and we have put this expression, this function, after expanding by Taylor's theorem. So after expanding f of y plus ei minus 1, we got f of y plus ei minus 1 f dash y plus ei minus 1 square upon 2 f double dash y whole divided by f of xi, that is f of y plus ei, again expanding f of y plus ei f dash y plus ei square by 2 f double dash y, and minus of what? F of xi minus 1. So f of xi minus 1 is again f of y plus ei minus 1. So f of y plus ei minus 1 expanding by Taylor's theorem, we get f of y minus ei minus 1 f dash y minus ei minus 1 square upon 2 f double dash y. So in a whole way we find that we have replaced all the x terms with y plus ei and all the f of x terms with f of y plus ei. So after getting this equation, we have solved this equation and finally get ei plus 1 is equals to ei minus 1 ei square minus ei minus 1 square into f double dash y upon 2 ei minus 1 into f dash y. And finally we get ei plus 1 is equals to ei into ei minus 1 f double dash y upon 2 f dash y. Coming on to next, in order to find the order of convergence, it is necessary to find a formula of the type ei plus 1 is equals to k into ei ki power m. We always find this formula to find the order of convergence of any theorem. So here let us try to get k. So with an appropriate value of m, if ei plus 1 is equals to k ei ki power m, then what? Then ei will be equals to k ei minus 1 ki power m. We can see here we just replaced ei plus 1 with e and ei with ei minus 1, or ei minus 1 again. From this expression we got ei minus 1 is equals to ei upon k to whole to the power 1 upon m. So here we get equation 3.16. After substituting the equation 3.16 in equation 3.14, we have substitute this equation, that is this value of ei minus 1 in the equation. We have just put ei minus 1 in this equation. At the place of this ei minus 1, we have placed this ei minus 1 expression. So after putting this, we get ei plus 1 is equals to ei to the power 1 by m into f double dash y upon 2 f dash y into k to the power 1 upon m. Here we have just put at the place of e to the power ei minus 1 to the power 1 by m, we have put this expression ei to the power 1 by m divided by k to the power 1 by m. So finally we got it as equation ei plus 1 is equals to ei to the power 1 by m into f double dash y upon 2 f dash y into k to the power 1 by m. Here in this way we got equation 3.17. Comparing equation 3.17 with equation 3.15, we see that here the equation 3.17 is and here the equation 3.15. Both are finding ei plus 1 in both the equations. So after comparing this equation and this equation, we got what? We got ei to the power m is equals to ei to the power 1 plus 1 by m. So this is the equation 3.18. And moving on to next, k equals to f double dash y upon 2 f dash y k to the power 1 by m. How this comes to? So this is comes to this equation. Here we can see that ei plus 1 is equals to k ei to the power m, yes, and ei ki power m is what? Ei ki power 1 plus 1 upon m. So from these equations we get k is equals to f double dash y 2 f dash y upon k to the power 1 by m. Solving for m from the equation 3.18, from this equation we can solve for m. Here we can see that m will be equal to 1 plus 1 by m. So after solving for m, we get m is equals to 1.62. Thus ei plus 1 is equals to f double dash y upon 2 f dash y to the power 0.62 ei to the power 1.62. So in this way we got a result that the order of convergence for the secant method will be 1.62. So this is all about this. Thank you.